So this is the second big snow storm. Let me open this. You know, of the new year 2022, if you can see that car over there, that's my dad. He's trying to warm up his car because he's just been here in my house, in my apartment. He's been warming up his car for about 10 minutes now. I can see his car is covered in snow. I'm pretty sure he's taking all the safety measures to have a safety trip to home. So this is my balcony or patio. It's been snowing for about 4 and 5 hours approximately. It's very, very cold. See the snow? Hasn't been very tall this time. It's about 2 inches snow. It's not really, really high. And it's extremely cold right at the moment. But it's pretty warm inside. As I step in the house, my dad is still not sure if he wants to. I think my dad has gone out of his car. Let's see. I'm gonna use the other window. Oh, it's so cold. Let's go to the other window. I think he's out of his car right now trying to fix it. Can you see that little red car over there? Well, that's his. His lights and engine are on, I suppose. He's out of his car right now. Probably he's trying to dig it out. He'll be all right. Well, yeah, I was saying, look at all the grounds. Those were supposed to be green pastures, green gardens, but everything is covered again in this white powder, and it's just 5:30 in the afternoon. It's not very late, but look at how dark it looks outside. Well, this is what's happening today, Sunday, January 16th, 2022.